So obviously, in order to get all this big data, we're going to have to use some tools in order to obtain it all. So we're talking about cookies.
I love cookies.
I love cookies. Digital cookies, not as exciting, unfortunately. So basically, whenever you go onto a website, you're going to find that there's going to be digital cookies coming from this website that go and they sort of mix with your computer in a way, I suppose.
Yeah.
So it's sort of like a tracking device between your computer and that website, so that they can pick up on and make it an easier experience for you as well. Make it a more positive experience because they're picking up on what you've gone through. So kind of makes it more personalized as well, kind of thing, doesn't it?
Yeah.
In a sense.
Yeah. A website knows if you've been there before. And
Yeah. So basically, it means you're not going to have to come up with a big sign that says, "Oh, would you like to become a new user?" And it can also mean like recommended settings as well. Can be quite helpful. But in saying this, of course, this is all data as well. Knowing that, this is what we can recommend for Jordan because he's looking at all these videos of puppies, and so they can that website can be like, well, this is your recommended list. We should show Jordan all these videos of puppies because he loves them so much.
Yeah.
So that's one aspect of online, one tool that they can use in order to obtain big data. Another one is just your device ID, which is more commonly found in devices. Phones. Going back to smartphones again. But again, your ID. So that can be picked up from. We're talking banks.
Yep.
That's probably one of the major ones. Actually, is probably banks, as well as like purchasing online. You're going to come through. It's going to come through with your ID, your device ID. Anything else?
Social media maybe.
Oh yeah, social media. Oh, true. Apps. Yeah, basically everything. It can be traced. It all can be traced.
Yeah.
It all can be traced back to your ID.
Google Analytics, as I said before, is able to help track own metrics. Is information that they can take off your website and analyze to make more effective ways for your website to map around. So if you're looking at a cat website, you can see if someone goes from this page to that page looking at different types of cats. Yeah.